Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Sony LinkBuds with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds until you can see that this LED light it starts flashing blue. If it's not flashing, just remove your finger from the connectional button and click again, press and hold again. Here we go. Now we should see it on the list, so just click on it and click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!